let's learn about ox family. Yes, ox family. So ox family is from the family of which vowel? Yes, it comes from the family of vowel O. O-X, ox. So once upon a time, there was a letter O and there was letter X, and both of them were very very sad, like this girl. Why? वो इतने sad क्यों थे? Because they had no friends. उनका कोई भी दोस्त नहीं था इस गर्ल की तरह. तो एक दिन उन्होंने सोचा, why not become friends with each other? So O and X, both of them shook their hands and they became friends. And after becoming friends, they danced a lot. And then they were so happy that they created so many words together and they became a family. So O-X, ox. Ox is a family. So first word in this family is fox. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. What is the sound of letter X? S. What is the sound of letter O? O. F-O-X. Fox. This is, the fox is sitting in a box. So let's say box together. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. And what is this? This is an ox. O-X. Ox. O-X. Ox. So let's enjoy this rhyme together. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Fox. Rocks is a fox. The fox in a box. The fox with cocks. Ox, ox, ox. Cox is an ox. I hope you like this rhyme. I'll see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.